LM Studio versus Ollama. Which local AI tool is better? Choosing the right AI tool can completely change how you boost productivity without sacrificing ease of use. Let's briefly explore both options. LM Studio and Ollama are both powerful local AI tools designed to enhance your workflow. The core difference lies in their focus. LM Studio emphasizes user-friendly design for various applications, while Ollama offers robust customization for advanced users. LM Studio is an intuitive local AI platform that allows users to create and manage AI models seamlessly. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. LM Studio supports a variety of applications from content generation to data analysis, providing a versatile solution for different needs. One of its strengths is its extensive library of pre-built models, which users can easily implement without extensive coding knowledge. However, it may have limitations in advanced customization options, making it less suitable for users who require deep technical control. Ideal users include small business owners, content creators, and educators looking for a straightforward way to leverage AI in their work. Ollama is a powerful local AI tool that focuses on advanced customization and flexibility. It allows users to build and fine-tune AI models tailored to specific tasks, making it a preferred choice for developers and data scientists. Ollama's strength lies in its ability to integrate with various data sources and frameworks, enabling users to create complex applications with ease. However, this level of customization comes with a steeper learning curve, which may be challenging for those unfamiliar with AI development. Ideal users include tech-savvy professionals and organizations looking to develop specialized AI solutions that require fine-tuning and extensive control over their models. When comparing LM Studio and Ollama, consider your specific needs. For users seeking a straightforward, user-friendly experience, LM Studio is the go-to choice. It excels in ease of use and quick deployment, making it perfect for those who want immediate results without technical hurdles. On the other hand, Ollama shines in scenarios where advanced customization is crucial. If your projects demand tailored solutions and you have the technical expertise, Ollama offers the flexibility needed to create sophisticated models. The trade-off is clear. LM Studio prioritizes simplicity, while Ollama focuses on depth and control. For users seeking an easy-to-use AI tool, LM Studio is highly recommended for its intuitive design and versatility. If advanced customization and flexibility are your priorities, Ollama is the better choice. It empowers users to create tailored AI solutions. No matter your choice, both tools are excellent for enhancing productivity and achieving your goals.